Little river fish. You're good.
All right, welcome back to Fishing with T-ravis. As the title says, I headed out on the Pigeon River with Grace on a canoe trip where I could do some fishing along the way. And as you could tell, I got the first fish pretty early on. It was a little bottom feeder kind of thing, but it was a fish. So we kept heading down the river looking for some more. Oh, we're gonna go underwater. Oh, I bet I can swim underwater. Yeah, you can. The GoPro actually takes great underwater.
Are you recording or no?
Yeah, but I don't know how to zoom in.
Just stop.
Like a tree fell over right there. Oh, what a... Oh yeah.
Rock Bessie. Rock Bessie. I caught a Bessie. I caught a Bessie. In the river. A rock Bessie. Bye, buddy.
More Swede.
All right, so as you can probably tell, there's quite a bit of moving throughout the trip. I caught a few fish while banked. I caught one while moving, even though we weren't recording. But overall, it was a great time with some very pretty views and some fish in the boat. So until next time, that's all for Fishing with T-ravis.